me right here, and today we are opening Cutie Tooties. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe. So let's get to this video. Okay. Oh, you guys, this is green. Sparkly green. Sparkly green.
And as you guys can see, we have all the colors, but we still don't have the collection completed. So we are trying to have our collection.
Oh,
let's see who we get this time.
Oh. This one's yellow. Okay. Oh my gosh. This one is so cute.
It is cute. I like the color yellow.
Oh my gosh. This is dark purple.
So you got 2 dark purples now, you got 2 yellows, you got 2 greens, and which other one?
Light purple.
Oh, you got like purple. Woo! Alright, let's see. We have to open them.
So guys, they might have mystery slime. Mystery slime.
Ooh.
Or else mystery poop. And then they come out from these animals, they come out from here.
Alright.
And you can cut them on the top or else peel them off the bottom.
Alright, let's see
So-
who we get.
Yeah, let's go on the bottom. Okay, this one, I think the slime is on the bottom. Peel this off. I'm sure wait, there's little balls in it.
Ooh,
There's
crunchy.
crunchy slime.
Ooh.
Okay. Guys, I just got at the lime bug. And it is crunchy slime. Let's take it out.
Oh, let's see. Here.
There's some more right here. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, I think 20s.
Ooh, really?
20s.
Yeah, I think so too. I can see it. Yay! Twinsies. You guys know what that means.
Giveaway!
Yeah.
Now let's open the purple one. Oh, okay.
And there's the slime, guys.
Yeah. Oh, you forgot about this piece.
Ooh, I'll put that one away.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh yeah. I just realized this one. Check out the slime. Oh, yes. Oh, baby.
Is that bouncy slime?
Wait.
Looks like it, no?
Wait, it looks like it. Oh yeah, it is.
It is bouncy. Ooh, I like the bouncy slime, guys.
Okay, let's just take off the slime here. Wait, it's sparkly too.
Yeah.
It's sparkly. Oh, because of my hands. They're sparkly. Let's take out the slime.
You can turn it over.
Oh my gosh, there's glitter in there.
Ooh. You should turn it over though. That way you get it. Look. You got it. Wow.
This keeps on going. I gotta reach on the sides so I don't miss anything. Oh, there's one humongous piece here. One humongous piece.
Ooh.
Okay.
All done?
Okay. This is how much
Ooh,
it
nice.
was. Okay. It's the topping. Okay, this one's all done. Put this here. Now we are going to reveal this one. Okay. You think who it is? You think who it is? You think?
Another twinsy.
Yes.
Oh, those are cute, guys. Look. That's so cute.
Okay, now let's open this one. This one? Oh no.
What is it?
We got watery slime, dark pink.
Ooh, it's like a neon pink, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's take it out.
That one was amazing. Ooh, look, guys. That's a cute and awesome watery slime.
Yes.
Ooh, look at that.
Gosh. Let's put it in our container.
Nice.
Okay, where's the top?
Right here.
Oh, there's one thing missing. Guys, that was so cool.
It was cool.
Okay, now we gotta see who we got here. Because, yeah. Okay.
Ooh.
Wait a second. This one's a new one.
I know who it is. I think you got fins.
Fins?
Is it? No! Wait, which one? Oh my goodness, you got Spark! Mom, you got Spark, yes!
Look at her wings.
She is adorable, oh my goodness! She is adorable, guys! She is so cute! Look, guys, look at her! She's so
We're
cute!
gonna open. Okay. This one, we got green slime.
Ooh, green slime. Ooh, mommy has to do her detective work.
Let's just rip this thing off so that it can get easier.
Okay.
Need
So
to
green slime. That's so. Is it light green? Yeah, it's light green. Ooh. Wow.
Guys, this is a humongous slime.
Ooh.
Wait, this glitter is from the thing.
He's so awesome.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Okay, you're in between two.
Guys, that does have glitter. Oh my gosh.
It does have glitter?
Yes.
Ooh. Yeah, that's a lot of glitter.
Oh my gosh. This is so much inside. Oh my gosh, you guys. OMG.
It's so sticky.
There's a lot.
Yeah.
Wonder the sticky slime. I think they have sticky slime. Let's get all of it until we get the pieces.
Oh, wow. This slime is amazing, guys.
Okay, well please.
Ooh. Ooh, let's see, Maya. I think I know. It's in between two.
Okay. Different one. That's like red. Oh, flower!
Oh my goodness! You got a rare one. She's rare. She is Petal.
Petal?
Wow! Yes, Petal, Maya. Isn't she adorable?
Look at Petal, guys.
Wow! That is
I'm gonna put her
awesome.
right here. Petal's
Look,
cute.
guys. So she got 2 new friends.
Guys, you guys. So the thing that I like on them, they have the big eyelashes that you can move. The like eyes with the details and more eyelashes. They're kind of cute.
I like the little green around it. Little
And
outfit.
then this one, her has green eyes. Green eyes. And then wings, her tail,
I like how glittery they
and
are.
her tummy is glittery, and her unicorn, and the eyelashes. And then
You got the, yeah.
we got stars.
What's his name? What's his name?
Twinkle.
Twinkle, yep.
Guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give a big thumbs up. If you guys have any comments below,
Let us know by
Yes.
commenting. Thank you, guys.